Today I'm going to show you how to integrate a form from Google Forms as a card in Kanban Zone. To get started, just click on Integrations from our left navigation, and it will pull our marketplace under our no-code integrations. In here, we've already created a bunch of solutions for you, and there's more apps to choose from, but these are pre-built solutions that will save you time. So for this one, we're going to use Google Forms. I'm going to click Install, and the first step, there's nothing for you to do because it's a solution. So just click Continue. We've already taken care of everything for you. Here, you just have to make sure you select your connection. So for Google Forms, we will select this one, and then select the form that we want to use. In my case, it's called the intake form. And then in Kanban Zone, establish your connection and select the board that you want these form submissions to go to. Now, these connections were established under apps, and I show that in a separate video. It is extremely fast. It takes just 2 seconds. I'm just going to click Continue, and you are done. Almost. Let me show you an extra step here. Because these are forms, we need to do the mapping. So we will guide you to the ability to map these fields by clicking on the pulsating yellow alert here that's letting you know where to click exactly to make it to your mapping area. In here, it's very simple. You click fields and it will find information from your integration. So for me, for the card title to show in Kanban Zone, I am going to pick from Google's data the form title. I'm then going to put a little space and dash, and I'm going to steal one of my questions, which was the name of the person, and I'm going to put it in the card title so that I can see both quickly when the card is shown on the board. I'm then going to select which column I'd like these cards to be created. So in this case, I'm going to put it in the backlog, and I'm going to start populating the description of my card. I'm going to use the main question of my survey, of my form, and it's called feature request. And for the next one, which is called browser, which is an element from my form down here, right? The browser selection here, I am going to map it to one of my custom field that I've pre-created for this form. So I'm going to look again for the question. There it is. And I've mapped it not in the description this time, but to one of the custom fields in Kanban Zone. As you can see, there's a lot of other options, but let's keep it simple for now and just click Save. And we can now launch our automation because everything is resolved, and we click Start. Now, I need to submit a form. So I'm going to close this to go back to my board, and I'm going to click on this form. I'm going to put my name, which will be Dimitri P, and I will put my feature request, more integrations, because we love them. And I'm going to select my browser as being Chrome. That's it. I submit the form, and I go to Kanban Zone. Now, the form is not here yet. That's because we check every 5 minutes to see if there's new forms. So I will pause the video and come back as soon as the form is posted here. So here is the card. It was created. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, all the information is already there, right? The browser is Chrome, the form name, and the name. All that's missing is the description, where I'm going to click on the card and see it. And here's the answer that I've put on the form when asked about the feature request. So as you can see, I'm able, and here's again the custom field called browser. So as you can see, you can create a board in Kanban Zone to manage your workflow, but you can capture the information from another tool that you integrate with. And in this case, Google Form is perfect to quickly create a form and use it as an intake to your process. That's it. It's that simple to integrate from a Google Form to Kanban Zone using our integration solution called Google Forms. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you create wonderful integrations with the ability to intake from Google Forms.